I really feel like, Lord Balaji held my hand, and when you look at the door, also door after door
Yes.
after door after door, it really feels like he opened the space. My house is a shooting house. So if you say shoot hona hai, like that, everything should shift. This you can lift it up with your hand.
You know that we always visit people at their homes because they call us at home. And so for this episode of Why Glow Korean Skincare presents At Home with me, Nayan, today I've come to somebody's house who's a superstar from the Telugu film industry and now a pan-Indian superstar. And I know her as a really homely, warm, generous human being. There's nobody who she has not helped with all her heart. It's called Villa 603, Lakshmi Manju's house. So let's go ring the bell. Hello.
Hello, you're
How are
finally
you?
here.
How
I can't
are you?
believe you haven't come home
No.
yet.
We've done a Zoom interview when you were at home, the Hyderabad home.
The other
yeah.
home.
Yeah.
Come.
But tell me more about this space. Oh, there is another elevator?
Yeah, that's my personal elevator.
मुझे इतना अमीर बनना है कि मेरा भी personal elevator हो. Do you use that one or do you use this one?
This one. Why would I wait? I mean,
Of course.
But I'm still in a rented house. May I buy this house?
Yeah, hopefully. But
That's-
before we move there, I have seen, there's so much of artwork.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen your other house ka home
Yes.
tour also.
Yes.
You love art.
Yeah.
Where did you get this from?
So she's an artist called Saraswati, and she's from Hyderabad, and I love how she paints Krishnas. If you look in each of the leaf, there is detailing. I mean, there's something about this painting that comes really alive to me, and the colors and the vibrancy and the whole vibe of Krishna, and it just gives me a lot of tranquil feeling to it every time I look at it.
And here you are welcome. Like the moment you enter, there's Ganpati.
Yeah, this a friend of mine gave me from Bangalore, Chiki and Arjun. They hated that I have these things up here, but I think they're beautiful. But when there's God, even if
Yeah.
I say no, my staff, either ek flower, udhar ek flower. So when I went to Brazil, I noticed that there are so many places that they call altars. So in their home, there will be 5, 7, 8 altars. This is an altar, that's an altar. And in India, I realized we have one mandir, and that's it. We keep it in one corner. So I opened my house up to make little
Different
altars.
corners.
Yeah, I'll show you around the house.
But are you deeply spiritual as a person?
I believe a lot and strongly in energy, and so I believe in a lot of these energies.
Yeah.
So is that spiritual? I guess
Absolutely.
I am.
Absolutely.
I guess I
And there's
am.
another huge door
Yes.
to your huge living room.
Stop embarrassing me.
No, but
man.
I love open spaces in
Yeah.
Bombay. You don't get it.
You
Like,
don't. I know. When I walked in here, the first moment I was like, the friend who brought me here, I surrounded him and I said, "What do you think, man? How do you think I can afford this? I'm not in the finance of Bombay. I'm an artist. I'm leaving where I'm known to the unknown. I need to be a little bit more humble." And then I went and saw 27 houses. And then I called my friend back and said, "I'll just figure out how to make more money, but I need that space."
no, and the best part about this house is I think there's a lot of open space throughout. Like it.
Let me tell you, it's a wraparound
Wraparound.
balcony.
Oh,
Yeah, you don't
that's
get
a
that
luxury.
in Bombay.
You don't.
I really feel like, Lord Balaji held my hand, and when you look at the door, also door after door
Yes.
after door after door, it really feels like he opened the space. for me.
Absolutely, it's a beautiful house,
Yeah,
guys.
so
I
I
have to
feel-
take you guys around. But the first thing that you enter and you see is like you said, that there's Hanuman here.
The
Hanuman
Ramcharan
ji
gave
is.
me that Hanuman for his 40th.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's what Upsi got made, and she works a lot with the Anganwadis and the
Yes.
tribes there. And this is Kondapalli Bomma, I think. Don't quote me, but it is one of the tribes that she works with. And I'll show you the book, the Hanuman Chalisa book that he gave me also. So I put this here because I've been really connected to Hanuman recently, which I would be very scared when I was a child, because Hanuman was this brahmachari, he's very strict, pious man. You got to shower, you have to do all these niyamas to
Yeah.
be with him. So I just kept him a little far. I liked my Shiva, who was, more easier to connect with, right? And then more recently, the more I've been reading about him, I realize he's just such a childlike. When he was a child, he went up and got the sun
Yeah.
to eat it because he didn't
He didn't know.
Nothing was impossible
Yeah.
for him. When they said we need Sanjeevi, he's like, let me go get it. But he was this almighty that could pick up a
Yeah.
Himalayan mountain and still bend down, to his guru. Like that, those are the things I'm connecting with, that his magnanimity and his humility.
Yeah.
So that is what Hanuman is for me, to imbibe that energy.
So there are a lot of artifacts here also. Please tell us whose picture this is.
That's my biological mom. She would always be in the puja room, and we would see her once in a while. And I've been, again, I guess I am spiritual. I've been working a lot with my ancestors,
Yeah.
and I never really embraced her because she was gone so early. And my mom, who raised me, is my mom.
Yeah.
For all, she is my mom. She gave birth to me, but my mom is her. So for all three of us, we never really, we look up to her, we pray every year on her death anniversary. It's a family gathering, and we really remember her and all of that. But she was never a part of my life. And since I started working with my ancestors, she's become so alive.
Yeah.
So I thought, okay, she needs to be there. Every morning I sit there and meditate.
But how old were you when she passed away?
3.
3.
Not even fully 3.
Yeah.
2, yeah. Yeah.
But you said that you were raised by somebody else who you call
Her
mom.
own sister.
Yeah.
So she's my mom. And only now I'm okay talking about her to my mom. Because it was such a,
Yeah.
You know how it was in the
Yeah.
olden days. We didn't talk
Absolutely.
about anything. I think this is the first time I've openly talked about it because you've asked. And there is nothing to hide anymore.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
And I really cherish, and my daughter's named after her as well. Vidya comes from her.
Oh, wow. Wow. So there are a lot of things here, but I see a mandir that you have.
Yes, this is a new mandir that my aunt got me, because my mandir was, I had a big puja room in Hyderabad.
I've seen that.
Yes.
I've seen that.
So I put 2 little things in my kitchen because I didn't have a place. So my aunt Chandra auntie, who had come to visit me, surprised me with this beautiful mandir.
This is also a very beautiful piece.
This is by Shantaram. This is a lot of people have this series, the doors.
Yeah.
This reminds me of my mom's mom, my grandmother's village, where they used to have a pump set, and there was a door right next door to it, and there were many doors to go back there. So there's something about it takes me back to my childhood.
Yeah. And then you have that amazing art pieces on both the sides. Where did you get this one from?
This is Ramesh Gurjala. He's one of the most celebrated
Absolutely.
artists of India. And he really brought Kalamkari to life on canvas. Kalamkari was something we would wear on our
Yes.
clothes, but he really put it on the canvas, and so we can really celebrate that art form. So when I could first afford it, this is what I bought, a reminder that you can grow, and then move to this.
How many years did it take you?
Less than 10.
Wow. And what about that?
I'll show you this.
Oh yes, I wanted to ask you this. I love this.
So, they are the Orishas
Oh.
from the Umbanda tribe in Brazil. Each of them represents one of our goddesses and gods of our Hindu culture as well. So when I went to Brazil to do the medicine work, I was really introduced to all of these goddesses. So this is one of my altar. So I have some feather. This actually goes in your hair. But I put it up there as, you know, a little celebration of it.
Wow. And where did you get this from? That's not Raj.
This is from my childhood.
Oh,
This has
wow.
all my apples, Kathak bells. This was my study table when I was a child. So I would have a chair and I would write on this.
Oh, you
and my
kept
books would
it.
be here. This was handmade. My dad is really into woodwork and carpentry. So he would look at these books and books of temples and sculptures, and he would Paneer Selvam Mama. We called him only Mama. He would always be at home with his carpenters. He was the main designer. My dad would tell him how he would want it, and he would make it for them.
What are you saying? This is made at home?
Yeah,
You have a similar one in the Hyderabad home also.
same
which
thing. I brought it.
Acha, you brought.
How many I'll have seen?
Ah, because I've seen that. I've seen that in that. But you know, when you've designed this space, because this is like a lounge space where you sit, there are two different sides to it also. This is a little elevated, that's a little more grounded. Did you pick the colors yourself? Like, what was the idea behind
Sit, please.
picking the colors?
So I had like when you're ready, angels show up in so many different ways, right? Like this house showed up like that. And when I was putting the house together, I was talking to a friend of mine, and he introduced me to an interior designer. The whole thing, Darshini Shah, she put it together in a matter of like a few hours. We went
What?
to Oshiwara, said yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Her team was freaking incredible. I was in America when my saman were getting shifted from Hyderabad house to Bombay because I was working in America. I was there for an event. I couldn't be here.
But if we go to that side of the whole room, so there are two living spaces, and two are.
So this is for the elders, people who come in. I have guests from 8 months old to 80 years old come. So the 8-month-old can be here and the 80-year-olds can be
also
there.
because you have a daughter.
I have a
who's
daughter.
a
I have 2
preteen.
puppies, and so you know this is nice.
Yeah, this is I love this space
Yeah,
the most.
yeah.
The color, I think you love nature a lot.
I do.
There's a lot of flowers, there's a lot of plants, there's a lot of plant elements
I have
along
300, over 300 plants in this apartment.
What?
Yeah, you can count. I went and got plants from Pune, and then I didn't feel they were enough. And I was really feeling very guilty that I spent so much money on a rented place on all these plants. But for Christmas, I looked out and I was like, what is it that I really want? I said, more plants. So for Christmas, I could gift myself.
Where did you get this from?
All in, I refurbished all of this in Bombay itself.
Really?
My house is a shooting house. So if you say shoot hona hai, like that, everything should shift. This you can lift it up with your hand. It's easy. Nothing is heavy. The only heaviest thing in my house is the dining table.
And what about this? I love this. The moment I came in, without seeing, tell me how many people are there.
You tell.
I think there are 6 people.
No.
Not 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, yes.
Yeah.
Where did you get this from?
So he's an artist from Kerala called Vivek Vilasini. He's another. I mean, if I say Vivek Vilasini, people are art connoisseurs are going to be like, "What? Now I have to buy a new lock for my house." Yeah, and I had the honor of having him for breakfast recently. And when he walked in, I said, "Sorry," and then he walked around and saw all my artwork and really appreciated me.
That's
So
so
this is
amazing.
migration, okay? As an artist, we can't do it alone. It's teamwork, and it was very provocative for me, and still very progressive, and still very steadfast. It's like, you know, we all need each other to move forward, and he calls it migration.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bombay mein it's a luxury to have a balcony, forget a veranda. But you have a really huge open space. How often do you go there?
Mornings usually. If it's cool, I go out there. Often I drink my coffee out there. Sometimes, because the sun rises from here, I like to face when the sun's rising to meditate. So I use that spot all the time.
Are you
This one doesn't get used much. I wish I had the permission to take this in, then I would have an open kitchen. I feel like a
Yeah.
breakfast area. kind
Yeah.
of thing.
But are you a coffee person or a tea person?
Both. Now, ever since pandemic, I started drinking coffee to do intermittent fasting. Okay, now I stopped doing intermittent fasting, but I still
You
drink
don't
coffee.
need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. But now I'm gonna make you make something for me. What are
I'll
you
make
going to
you my coffee that I drink every
Done.
morning. It's
I
a
love
pour-over.
coffee.
Really?
I love coffee.
Chalo. I'll
Chalo.
make you, but you have to be patient. Okay?
I will be very. I'm a very patient person.
Are you really?
Yeah. The only thing is that when I compare myself to my mother, then I feel like I'm not patient. But I'm patient compared to people from my generation. I'm very patient.
Really?
Yes. So
Chalo.
this is your kitchen. Wow.
Yes, it is my kitchen.
I'm gonna ask you a question that Farah Khan is asking everybody. Do you have an AC in the kitchen?
No, I don't.
Great.
I have a full open door like this. So
How often do you come?
I never used to. I think I used to go into the kitchen to be like, is the food ready? But here, Apple and I cook a lot more. We make breakfast together. She makes Sunday brunches every Sunday. Yeah, she's big in kitchen. This morning also she made lemonade. She woke up extra early to squeeze lemons.
She's very talented. I've seen some of the things which we are gonna show to the audience. Oh my god.
Oh, thank
She's
you.
totally your child.
Aw.
Like when you see things, you'll understand that when audience sees just like 10 minutes down the video. But you're gonna make us coffee.
Yes. So I've learned to get pour over coffees
Okay.
because when I travel.
Oh,
And
I
then-
love this. This is Hema Malini and Amitabh Bachchan. Have you been a filmy child forever?
Hold on, I have all filmy stuff, filmy bags, filmy clothes.
Oh wow.
I have a recent Brahmanandam Garu's t-shirts. I have to pay, yeah.
But tell me something. Who did you grow up loving and admiring the most?
Nagarjuna, like in love, Nagarjuna. Like, I mean, when you're growing up, you're only romanticizing, right? You're not thinking, acha, hero acting, acha, ye nahi. And then it is Amir Khan.
Oh.
I'm again heartbroken, yeah. I cried first time, second time, third time also.
Why?
That yeah, he didn't find me yet.
That
You know
is
what?
true.
I went and said this to Kiran. When I met her at a party, and I didn't waste 1 second. And I said, "I hate you." She's like, "Whoa, why?" I said, "Because you married the love of my life." She's like, "I'm divorced." I said, "I know, but I hated you so long ago." And then I loved you because I saw her at a music festival far off, and I'm hating on her. Oh, she's Amir's wife. And then she turns around and smiles at me, and I'm like, "Ew, she's even nice."
So this is the pour over coffee.
And she's like, "You should tell Amir this." I said, "No,
Yeah.
I might just faint in his arms."
Oh,
so no
lovely.
need. Somebody
But did you
just
meet
need
him?
to- Very far off. All my friends have threatened me that they'll introduce me. I said, "He's one person. Although we've been in the same room, I'll hide and walk away." Or,
But why?
I don't know. It's that little heart flutter happens with him.
But how many cups of coffee do you have in a day?
One, and also that only when I work out, I earn myself my coffee.
Oh.
Otherwise, I don't. So see little droplets of love falling for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm obsessed with coffee. This is my only addiction. This was actually now I'm not so addicted to coffee anymore.
Okay, let's go.
Because even when a lot of people actually should we sit here?
Yeah.
Or we can sit actually near the balcony and then come back here.
Okay. Usually it has to be down or up.
Oh, it was up only. Amazing. Hawa dekhiye, hawa.
Yeah.
Bas hawa dekhiye.
Or during the monsoon.
Oh, I was going to come to that.
It is. I don't want to step out of the house.
I wish it was raining a little bit
Yeah, you could
for
have really
people
seen
to
the
just
beauty.
see the beauty.
And the sun sets here, so
Oh
our-
wow, so it starts there and it sets here. You have both the sides.
Yes.
Amazing.
See, now you see it coming
Yeah.
down. I've done a lot of photo shoots right here. Now that I have my plants, the light doesn't come through that easily.
No, but this
these
is
were
nice.
all tiny now. I have guavas growing.
Oh wow, lovely. But such amazing paintings here as well.
These are from Just's shop. Just Chiranjeeva has a shop called Culture Shop, Kulture. It used to be right here in Bandra, and she is the first person to hold a space for Indian graphic artists. She's incredible. Now I think she's
Wow.
in town.
Wow, all of this is from.
I bought it in one box.
Oh wow, and
And-
this is your daughter's
Yeah.
birthday.
Yeah.
When is your daughter's birthday?
Middle of the year, middle of the month, June 15th.
Oh wow, she's a Gemini.
And she was born on her Father's Day.
Father's Day. But who's she closer to?
Hello.
What are the things where she gets benefit or doubt from you? Are you the stricter parent?
I don't know, you should ask her. So this is Nawab and that's Lola.
Hi Lola.
They're
Wait.
about 6 months apart. I got him, and then my mom was, every time she would come to my house, play with him so much. And we had really big doggies, and my mom was always complaining that we weren't visiting her often. So I thought maybe a small dog will keep her company. But I got so close to her, I couldn't give her. So she lives with me now.
Cuties. Chalo. Where are we going next? Your study?
Yeah?
Because I've seen, here's your coffee.
Oh, thank you. If you notice, my coffee has our names in it. That has my daughter's name.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes it does.
Hello.
Nikit, conversation.
Oh wow. This, can anybody, before she tells you what it is about, where did you get this from? It's so like beautiful.
So I was in South Africa in an Airbnb, and that Airbnb was filled with this photographer's pictures of animals from South Africa. So he's British, and I called him up, and I had to have an original before I
Yeah.
came to India. So I tracked him down, got his number,
Oh my
had it
God.
shipped before my
You
holiday was over.
really love it. You really love it.
Elephants are they carry stories of your ancestors, and
Absolutely.
they're wise, and
Yeah.
they have a lot of wisdom, and so I love elephants.
Yeah. And this is also from Africa, if I'm not.
No, that's from Brazil. This is
Oh.
also Umbanda. I think this is one of the orishas. I forget the name.
Oh wow.
So you wear it over your head,
Oh wow.
and it's made with straw.
Yeah.
I bought this in imagine. Well, my suitcases, this only will be there, heavy things. It's not even as wide as my suitcase.
Do you travel light or do you travel heavy?
I'm an
usually?
actor.
So of course you will travel heavy.
I need to do reel, I need to do post, I need to do ni amma, ni akka, ni dash, ni ding ding, ni dong dong. How much to do? So I have to be ready only.
No, now we have to do a travel plan. If I'm doing a travel show, you will be in one of my episodes. We have to. I
Let's
think you're
do
going to be so much fun to
I-
travel
yes.
with. We have to.
Let's
What's
go
your
to
favorite?
Phuket. Right now, yeah.
Let's go to
because
Korea.
I've never
South-
been to
South
Korea.
Korea.
Let's
I
get somebody
went-
to sponsor it. And we
Done.
go do all these facials and these
Listen,
treatments.
The
and
moment we
for
go,
the girl
I will
and
get
the
you,
boy.
I will get you the facials done for sure, for free, out of Colab. I went and I did it. My entire skin has transformed because of Korea. And by the way, by the end of it, you might get a gift which has something to do with Korea.
I already love this. So I sit here.
Yes.
Oh, this is an original Ai Weiwei's print.
Oh, wow.
He's God. You should go look at his Netflix documentary.
Wow.
He is God, like in human form, who's a revolutionist through his art is him.
Wow. Wow.
I look up to him and how.
You know, why don't you sit there? There's a stack of books also. I love books because you know, there was a point of time I used to read so much. I just feel so bad that I don't get time to read so much. Which is the book that you've been reading now?
Right after this, I'm going to my book club. So
Oh, wow.
I just finished reading, not this, the last Queen. I don't know if it's here. Let me show you something. This is the first gift in school time that puppy love hota hai na.
Huh?
He gave me this book. I don't know why I still have it.
Of course, we know why
His
you still have
name
it.
is, baby, I've traveled, moved 120 houses since then. This book hasn't lost. I things that I did not ever want to lose, I've lost. But look,
Oh my God.
so I have written, that's one of my dad's pictures.
Yes.
I've written some things down.
I have seen something. So this is also another space where you like sit and
Yeah, this is a space that used a lot. Because no smoking in the house. All my friends who smoke can go outside and do it. And I don't let them do it in front of my child.
Please tell me about this.
So this is another altar. So this is.
I thought you actually can do. Oh, you can.
Yeah,
Thank you, please.
Just-
I need it. I need it.
we all do. Just
I think,
cleansing
yeah.
your aura.
So
So when friends come over, we read cards because I only believe in friendships that I can go deep and learn and be a part of, and what is going on in your life. How can we solve that? How can we,
Yeah.
Otherwise, I have no time. Otherwise, we're constantly
Yeah.
meeting people. So these my friends come over, call me and say, "Let's read some cards today." I'm going.
So you
through
actually
something.
read it out to them.
I'm not a tarot reader, but I read it out to them. They read it out to me. So I sometimes read it out on my Instagram. So I love these decks.
Wow. Love it.
This is
Lot
in
of
a cover
crystals.
because this needs to go to seawater. I need to go dip it in the seawater.
Oh, you really like believe in all of that, which is amazing. I also believe in it. I believe in aura. I believe in cleansing.
So this is the guest bedroom. The
Okay.
guest got a bigger room than Apple because my guests are always coming, and even if I'm in town or not in town, they are supposed to come and enjoy the space. So this is that, and I've been changing some artwork around. So this one was again moved. That's why that empty space, which means I need to buy new art.
I'm gonna send you something from an artist. He's a friend of mine. I'm pretty sure you would know. His name is Prasad Bhatt. So usually when we do these interviews, he's a graphic artist. So he makes caricatures. So I'm gonna ask him to make one so that you can put it in your room. You can shift something
Love
here
it.
and maybe put something in your room, which is gonna be you. Because I've seen a picture there also.
Yes,
which is,
that was
which
when
is
I was 17.
17? You don't look any day older. That's
Thank
the
you.
best
God bless
part.
your heart.
But do you do any of these viral Korean skincare
I
things?
do all sorts of things, yeah, baby. This hasn't been updated. I made these pictures about 12 years ago. So
Wow.
this is, I mean, you know what I mean? In the past 12 years, nothing has come through.
Yeah.
No,
But tell me about this
That's
picture.
5th grade picture.
Which one is you?
The most fashionable one, matching headband, matching, yeah, there you go.
Has to be.
In Rishi Valley, that was
Yeah.
Madanpalli.
Wow. Wow. How many years have you been married now? 20?
222. That's how it feels, at least.
This is your brother, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, that is one brother. This
Yeah.
is the other brother.
Yeah. I have seen this one before we move into the final room that we are going to show. Please, I'm going to read it out. Dear Amma, if reading this, that means if you're reading this, then that means that I'm sound asleep. I wanted to let you know that I have to wear a lehenga on Tuesday for Marathi Divas. And you have to send an email to the school confirming.
Iman. It's one of the programs that she
Acha,
was
okay.
doing.
I love you. P.S. You can come to Marathi Divas on Tuesday and search Budi Begum outfit and you will get a reference. I'm an arrogant queen. I love you. I love When was this put up?
before Marathi Divas then, and she was going to remove it the next day. I said, no, it's too cute. She like plastered it so I don't forget. So I love that. That's a piece of art, right?
Yes,
there.
that is. But when we speak about pieces of art, especially when your child is concerned, I think she is so artistic. Can you please come to her room and listen before we speak about you? I have to pick this up. Oh my God, look at this. She is an artist.
Yeah,
She is a true blue artist. Oh my God, look at this.
No, this one somebody gave it to us, so don't give her too much credit.
Okay, but that one she's done.
all these. This is Nirvana did this. She
Oh my
painted
God.
that.
Be yourself. Love it.
Her friends come over and they paint. So everything is about books and games and toys. You can see how many stuffed toys she has. So she got the tinier room because this is only for her to come and shower and play and whatever because we sleep together.
Are this Harry Potter
This Harry Potter. These are all her books.
and games? How
And
often do you
games.
guys play?
All
Pictionary
the
or maybe
time.
all the time?
Yeah.
Love it.
Well, she had her birthday party for her school's sake already because she has summer holidays during her exam. During her birthday. And so every year we clean it all out and give it away. So otherwise it's stacked up till there.
Yeah.
Every birthday you go to, there's a return gift.
Yeah.
So it just gets filled up.
It's been lovely. Now, for you to win a gift, which I have for you, I told you that you have to play a game. But for that, you have to win it. So we'll go to the living room because it will be more spacious for you to run around because you have to run around a little bit. So this is the hamper that you win.
Wow.
Okay. I'm going to show you because I know that you love skincare. And I know you will get it any which way because I love you too much. It's from Wild Glow Korean Skincare.
Wow.
So basically, these are the overnight.
Whoa, we have so many of them.
Yes.
Oh, it's the one and only Urvashi.
And these are the cleansing pads, pimple patches if you want, and gua sha.
Oh, gua sha as well.
Yes, it's a full hamper
I
for
love
you.
it.
But for winning this, you have to
I'm
play a
ready.
game.
Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go.
So the game is very simple. I'm gonna give you letters. So suppose I say B. You in 15 seconds you have to get one item from house which starts with B. So it can be a bottle.
I
it
mean,
can
my
be
house is a little big for 15 seconds, but I'll
20
try.
seconds. I'm giving you 20. Any which way I'm gonna give it to you. So 20 seconds, okay?
But we take the game seriously. so
Yeah.
that's right.
Should we do a competition between the two of you? It'll be
Yes,
fun.
it is.
It'll be fun to do it
You
between
sleepy
mother
face.
and daughter.
You still want a competition. Okay, ready.
Who's a stricter parent? Mom or dad? None.
Nanu, you said or none?
I said none.
Oh, no.
None. Wow, lovely.
I
Lovely.
thought you'd say your dad's name.
Okay, first letter is N. Anything with N.
Me.
That's the cutest thing.
Nirvana, right here.
Okay. So the next would be anything with the letter C. C. Canvas. Canvas works. They don't even need to do run.
Yeah.
Running around also she doesn't need
I
to
thought
do.
circle. See, I still didn't get canvas. I was thinking, oh, so smart. Circle.
So I have to give 2 points to her, 1 is to you. Because
Okay.
you got. The next one would be S. S. You can search around. S.
S.
S. Sorry, cushion. Flower. S. S. What can be an S? A drum, a bell. What is a S? You did this on purpose, no? Sorry.
Sorry to say. Sorry to say.
Did
but
you just pick up my slippers that were right there?
yes.
And you say, oh my God, I have to go run and get a sorry. This is ridiculous.
I have heard your amazing collection of saris, and I love your saris. I was just telling them that you wear the most iconic and the most vibrant, colorful ones. I absolutely love it.
Thank
3
you.
points to you though.
Thank you.
The next one would be C. Yes.
C. Circle.
Circle is not a thing, no?
Cup.
Cup works. Cup, I think. Cup, cushion. So it's now, you guys are at a tie, I feel.
Yes.
So the last one
Huh.
would be, you can't select yourself.
Okay.
It's L.
Laughter, loud, love. Thing. What is a thing? Latch. Latch.
Latch. Yeah, we can possibly give it to her. But with that, I think I would still give it to both of you. So this Wild Glow hamper is for both of you. I hope you
Thank
guys
you.
use it.
Thank you.
And you let me know.
I
What do you
will.
think? What do you
Thank
think
you.
of it? Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you so much. I have to tell you that you're amazing as an artist.
Oh, thank
And
you.
I saw your paintings there. The first thing that I did when I came in, and I told everybody that you're so good. You've got that artistic side of mom. And I hope that you're as warm and you grow up to be as warm, kind, and nurturing as your mother. And listen to your mom and dad always. I hope that you get everything that you desire for and dream of, because keep dreaming. And to you, you're a wonderful human being. It's not just about being a wonderful artist, not just being about a wonderful wife, daughter, mother. You're a wonderful human being, so warm, so affectionate that you make everybody feel at home when they are here. And that's the beauty of being at home with you. So thank you so much for doing
You're
this.
too kind.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you.